you picked one. Oh, I thought I was gonna stay there forever. Okay, so if you're a beginner, thank you for clicking, because you know what? A lot of us are beginners. We're not born advanced, right? We have to grow into that. We have to build to become advanced. So thank you for clicking on that. And first, what I wanted to say is I started my program off with 10 days of beginner workouts. So this is just for you. These are no weights. This is just a band you can do at home, on vacation, or you can do them wherever you want to. So these are the workouts that I want you to see. There's 10 of them, and they're all different, and they're gonna provide amazing results. All of the women are loving them. I created unique names for them so you can hashtag them with us, and when you join the community, you can share which one you're on, and we would love to hear more about it. So super simple to get your 10 days of workouts, your booty bands, and a small waist diet program. Just click on the link below, because the small waist diet program and workouts come for free. All you have to do is get the booty band and you're already there.